Hello and welcome to this video on Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated, one of the most well-known companies in the world. Berkshire Hathaway is an American multinational conglomerate holding company that was founded in 1839. It is based in Omaha, Nebraska and is currently led by one of the most successful investors in the world, Warren Buffett. One of the most important things to note about Berkshire Hathaway is that it is primarily an investment company that owns stakes in other companies. In fact, as of 2021, the company owns over 60 different subsidiaries across a range of industries including insurance, energy, manufacturing, and retail. Some of the most well-known subsidiaries include Geico, Duracell, and Dairy Queen. Berkshire Hathaway's past is filled with many successful investments and acquisitions. In fact, its impressive track record has earned it a reputation as a solid long-term investment. However, it's important to note that the company has also experienced some challenges along the way. For example, in the early 2000s, Berkshire Hathaway invested heavily in the textile industry, only to eventually sell off the majority of those assets due to rising competition from lower-cost imports. Despite this setback, Berkshire Hathaway has continued to perform well, especially under the leadership of Warren Buffett. In fact, the company's net worth as of 2021 is estimated to be around $600 billion, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. So, what does the future hold for Berkshire Hathaway? As always, there are both opportunities and challenges ahead. For example, the company has recently made some significant investments in renewable energy, which could pay off in the long run as the world moves towards more sustainable energy sources. At the same time, however, there are concerns about the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the economy and on Berkshire Hathaway's investments. There are also questions about the company's leadership succession plan, as Warren Buffett is now in his 90s. Overall, though, it seems that Berkshire Hathaway is well positioned for continued success in the years to come. With its strong track record, diverse portfolio, and talented leadership team, it is likely to remain a major player in the business world for many years to come. So, that concludes today's video on Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated. Hope you found it informative and interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.